We're going to be doing some tri-tip today. We got this one from Costco. Now today's pricing on Costco, let's see, we're end of October 2024, and it's going for $10.99 a pound. So this was 27 bucks and 37 cents. Get that at Costco. Now it comes pre-seasoned, so you don't have to do much to it. Just open this up here. I actually just leave it in the package like it is. I set this out probably about an hour ago just to kind of get it to room temperature. Now what I'm going to do is put a little bit of avocado oil on it. Now, just the avocado oil you can actually cook at higher temperatures. Plus it's better for you. We don't put any of that vegetable oil, seed oil crap. I get that as hot as I can because what we're going to do is a nice sear on this before then I take it out and put it in the barbecue, but I leave it in the cast iron pan. So this is all we do. And then it goes straight to the pan for 2 minutes on each side. So here you go. Come on over here. That's plenty hot. I've got that on high, and there you go. Okay. All right, you want to come on in here? We got this. I got that on high. You can see. I'm going to do a 2-minute sear on each side, and then it's going to go out from here right onto the barbecue. But I leave it in the pan. Turns out awesome. I'm going to have my temperature on the inside when I take it off. I want it somewhere right around probably 130. That's us. Because then I slice it up, but I'll show you. Okay, 2 minutes. Okay, let's take a look here. Oh, that looks good. There, I'll flip it now. Okay, that was about, I don't know, 3 minutes. Looks good.
Yeah.
Ooh, it smells good. Oh, we love tri-tip. You wait till you see what I do. It's so simple. It's just pepper and salt and butter. While you're heating that up and doing that, get your barbecue ready. That's important. I like to get the old barbecue up to about right around 400. It's at 500 right now, so I'll turn it down. But I crank this on because that goes so quick. Because again, I'm just going to take it right from that right into here. And I don't take it out or anything. I keep it right in, I leave it in the iron skillet. Okay, we've had it in there about 3 minutes on that side. Check it out. It's looking good. All right. I like to put it on this side of it when I take it out there. All right. Close enough. Turn that off. Turn this off. Now what you're going to need is some hot mittens. Because this bad boy's warm. Okay, so follow me. Keep it in it. And that's all you do. Put it out in the middle of that. Okay. What I'm going to come back and do here in a minute, we'll start testing it too as well, just to kind of check our temperatures and see. In fact, I'm going to do that right now so you can see even where we're at. But then I'm going to cut up some butter and put on there. And I like to do that just kind of towards the end. Right after you take it off, let's see where we're at. Oh, 74 there. Okay, cool. All right. Well, I'll come out here and I'll test this thing periodically. And when I'm probably right around 100, a little over 100 or so, I'll cut some cubes of butter and put on it. And again, remember, I'm trying to keep this at right around 400. Okay, let's time it. Let's see how long it takes. It's 6:32 right now. So this will be a good indicator for you guys of how long it takes just the way we're doing it. What we like to do while we're doing that, we love asparagus with our tri-tip. So that's what we do now while it's doing that. We'll get this thing ready and get this cooked, and usually by the end of that, we're ready to eat. All right, it's been about 10 minutes. So let's see, I'll just check it and see where we're at. I'm about 106. 127. Okay, let's see. 118, 106. Yeah, it's been 10 minutes and we're getting temperatures in that 110, 120-ish range already. So what I like to do as we're getting close is cut up some butter. This is a must, everybody. I don't know why it tastes so much better doing it like this. keep the juices all in there or what, but it just does. And again, we want to use butter. None of that fake oil crap. I don't skimp on my butter. You know, we like it pink in the middle, so I'd rather have it a little bit more pink in the middle instead of overcooking it, because then I slice it. Well, you'll see, I'll show you what I do later, but we're getting close, it goes quick. Okay, let's check it again. Ooh, look at this, come here. See, that butter's all melted now on top of that. Let's check what we got going on here. 105, 106, 111, 112. My goal is to get it somewhere right around 130, 135. That's kind of the range. That's a medium rare. That's how I like it. Because then we'll slice this thing open and you can cook some more if you want to. It's so good. But it smells so good, that butter and all that. So far we've been cooking it. Let's see. So it's been on there 17 minutes. So 17 minutes, I'm right around 110, 120-ish range. It just depends on where you stick your probe. But you can feel it when you put it in there if it's tough still, and I can still feel that, right? I can feel it's hitting some red meat. Well, let's check it again. 130, oh, 132. Okay, we're getting there. Yep, I can feel it. Oh, 135, oh, okay, it might be done, folks. Yeah, we're done. Right around 25 minutes is how long until it got there. It goes quick. See that butter in there and all those juices? Oh. Okay, so what I'll do now is we'll just let it rest. I'll let it rest for about 10 minutes. We're cooking some pineapple to eat with it. We got asparagus ready. So we'll cut into that thing in a minute and see what it looks like. What we're trying to get is into like a lot of clean cooking. Things that, where, you know, you actually, when you read the ingredients, you know what they mean. And instead of having, you know, the ingredients list that long, it's more like this. I think we're moving that direction in this country, which is awesome. You know, healthier, cleaner cooking. We're kind of going to focus more on that. Remember, like, share, subscribe, all those fun things. That absolutely helps this channel, especially now that it's turned over to my son. He needs the money. He needs to pay rent. So what we're doing right now is we're letting it rest for somewhere right around 10, 15 minutes. I usually just do like 10 minutes or so that those juices redistribute back through the cell structure of the meat. You want to have those juices all the way through it. So little slices of that, it's like heaven on those. When we slice this, it is, I can't even tell you how good it tastes. So good. It's interesting though how much that thing has shrunk, right? Now it kind of starts to relax as well. All right, well, it's been about 15 minutes. Start cutting in this and see what we got here. See that juice coming out? That is heavenly. Oh my goodness. Now what I do is I cut this and I lay it and I just start set this like this in the juice for the family, because then we'll come and grab it out of here. Just let some more of that juice soak up in it. But for me, this is how we love it. I mean, it's not as pink here on the ends, of course, but I just love a little pink in the middle. So again, however you like it, you know, you can cook it a little less or a little longer. Now the bottom is nice and charred. I love that bark. You might not, I don't know, but we do. This is how we do it. Leave it in there. Let this stuff now soak in the, I mean, you can see that, right? Yeah, you can see that now. Just let it sit in the butter and all those juices and just soak that in. So this is how I leave it. I cut it up, leave it sitting here, and when people eat, they come and grab the pieces they want and they go eat it. Okay, thanks for watching Chef Dawg, everybody. Remember, like, subscribe, share, and all those fun things, and you have a good one. Bye-bye. So good. Okay.